Now, children, after the preparation of journal, now we are moving to prepare the ledger. See, I have already made the ledger format. So these are the list of the ledger we have to prepare: machinery account, furniture account, cash account, capital account. Accordingly, I have made here in the same sequence. It is not necessary to follow the sequence. Also, you can prepare any of it. You can first prepare furniture account, then machinery account, capital account, then cash account. There is no first only you can prepare cash account. Also, there is no proper sequence to follow this preparation of the ledger. So here I have already made this purchase account, machinery, nourish account, sales account, bank account, Gagan Brothers account, Gupta return outward account. Return outward account is same as a purchase return account. So another is drawings account, salary account, interest account. So I've already made the format stationery account at last. So now, let's see the posting, how the ledger posting is done. Though I have taught you before, also now again, still let's see how the posting is done here. So first, what is the first journal entry? Machinery account debited, machinery account debited, furniture account debited. First, let's prepare machinery account. Okay, machinery account is debited. How much machinery account is debited? Machinery account is debited 4 lakh. So machinery account is debited for 1st April. So machinery account. Let's go to the machinery account. The debit side, 1st April. We'll write to capital account. To capital account. So machinery account, furniture account debit to capital account. So here in the debit side is 2 side. So machinery account debited to capital. Machinery is a capital. Machinery is introduced in the business. So machinery amount is how much? This 4 lakh. So we are writing here machinery account is debited 4 lakh. Is it? So again machinery is purchased anyway. 14th here. 14th April, machinery account debited to cash account. Machinery account debited to cash account. Here we will write here 14 April here to cash. All machinery will go to machinery account. What price is purchased? 10,000. So there is no other machinery account. So this side total is here 4 lakh 10,000. And here at the end of the month you can say 30 April at the end of the month. What do you write here? By balance carried on CD amount is 4 lakh. To make it both the side of what we are doing balancing the ledger. Now both side is now 4 lakh 10,000 total should be in the same line here. Same line is the total here, 4 lakh 10,000. Now by balance CD 4 lakh 10,000. So 4 lakh, this balance sheet will be in the next month. To balance brought down, this balance sheet will become next 4 lakh 10,000 in the next month. So this account is closed here. Last month is closed. Now we are in the next month. Which month? 1st May. Next month, 1st May, we are starting balance brought down 4 lakh 10,000. Okay. So this is how we prepare the machinery account. So closing balance of last month of machinery will be the opening balance the next starting month 1st May 4 lakh 10,000. Now let's prepare the furniture account in the same way. Furniture account, furniture here, furniture account. Let's prepare furniture account now. Furniture value is 1 lakh. So furniture account is debited to capital account. Same way, furniture 1st April, furniture account to capital account. Furniture value is 1 lakh. Furniture is debited 1 lakh here in the journal entry. You can see in the journal entry also furniture is debited 1 lakh. This we are posting furniture account debited 1 lakh. And there is no other furniture. So only debit side is more here. This is the debit side. Debit side is 1 lakh. Credit side nothing is there. So to make it equal, what we will write here? By balance carried down. What we will write here? We will write here 1 lakh. Same. Why? To make both the side equal, we are doing the balancing the ledger. On closing balance, this is balance closed down. Closing balance of the by CD means closed down. On which date? Last, we are closing the balance on the last day of the month. And this last day of the month we have closed it. So furniture value, the value of furniture, closing value of the furniture is 1 lakh at the end of the month. This will become the opening balance the next month, 1st May, to balance brought down how much? 1 lakh. So no need to underline this double underline means account is closed. Double underline means account is closed for that month. And next month we have balance brought down. This will become the opening balance in the next month. This balance CD will become balance brought down in the next month, opening balance. Now nothing is done. No underline, nothing is to be done. Leave it like this only. because next month we will start again. We will continue with this. So individual ledger, one page. So in order to save the pages in school, we are doing all the ledgers in one page, but in practically all the ledgers are done in the separate pages. Okay, but here we cannot do in school like that, one page, one ledger. So we have to do as per the different ledgers can be prepared. In school we are doing different. Here I prepare 1 2 3 4 ledger in one page, but in reality we do not do like this. Okay, on one page only one ledger is open in reality, but in school it's not possible. So we are preparing like this. But assume this is page number 1, this is page number 2, this is page number 3. Assume like that. Okay, suppose assume this is page number 1. You have to assume this is page number 1. So this is page number 2, like that you can assume it. That page number 1 that we are writing here in the machinery account, where this machinery account is transferred in which ledger folio? Page number 1. Suppose this journal entry is in page number 25. This journal entry is page number 25. This machinery here. So this machinery for like where it is journal folio, which page number? Page number 25. That means in the ledger, this is the ledger. In the ledger we are writing the journal, this journal page number. In the journal we are writing this ledger page number of ledger. This is one page number. So this is page number 1 of machinery. So this we are writing here. So furniture account is furniture. Where this furniture account is posted? Page number 2 here in the ledger folio, page number 2. When you open page number 2, this is a ledger page number 2. So then that means this furniture in this is the journal folio. This is posted from which journal entry? Page number 25. Okay, so like this way we can do it. So this is for just for understanding only. Now next one is, now we'll make a cash account. Cash, where are the cash now? Cash, let's see cash. Cash is first April. Cash is here. 1st April cash is debited to capital account. 1st April we will write here to capital account. How much to capital account? Cash is how much? Cash is here. This amount of cash account is debited how much? 1 lakh. So cash account is here debited 1 lakh. Okay, cash account is debited 1 lakh. Now we have to find where are the other cash. Next cash is here. In the again 1st April cash is created by purchase. Cash is created here by purchase. Cash is created by purchase on which date? 1st April. Amount is now 55,000. This one amount is cash. This cash is also done. 55,000 is posted here. Now there is no cash here. The cash is debited here. This one cash. This cash is how much? Cash is debited how much? 70,000. Let's go to the cash account debit side. How much? Cash account debited to what? Cash account is debited to sales account. So cash account is debited to sales account. Date is how much? What is the date? Date is 6th April. Write the date 6th April. So see amount is how much? 70,000. Cash is debited 70,000. So we have recorded in the cash account debited 70,000. Now let's see cash here. Next 12 April bank account debited to cash. Cash is credited by 80,000. We have to go to the credit side of cash. What will write here? By bank account amount is 80,000. In the bank, in the cash account, this one cash account is credited 80,000. Bank account is debited. Cash account is credited. Since we are preparing cash account is credited by bank 80,000. Okay. So now any more cash here? So there are a lot of many cash still. Cash account here. Machinery account debited to cash. 14th April cash account is created by machinery. So here 14th April in the credit side, what you write? By machinery. By machinery how much? 10,000. Amount is 10,000. This one amount cash is created. This one also which one you have done? Only tick it. So afterwards you will not get confused. You have which is already posted. You just tick it. Okay. Date is 14. So before that bank, this one date was 12 April. Bank account debited to cash account 12 April. Now next one cash. We have to see cash here. Cash. This one is done. Which one is done? You go and tick. Okay. Cash account. There is no cash account here. Cash account. There is no cash account here. There is no cash account. This one is done. Now cash account here. Salary account debited to cash on 28th April. On 28th April, there is a salary account debited to cash. One more there. Machinery is done. Salary account debited to cash. Okay. Salary account debited to cash. What you write here? Salary account debited. Cash is created by salary. 28/4. What you write? By salary. How much amount? 10,000. Okay, so in this way, now next entry is, okay, now this salary is also posted, so as you can take it. Okay, salary posted, because salary account debited to cash, so salary here by salary, so cash side, and cash account by cash by salary, done. Now this cash is credited, this is posted. Now this is cash here, no cash here, no cash here, stationery to cash 1,000. So this will post it here. Stationery account debited to cash, and the cash is credited by stationery. By how much? 1,000. So in this way we have done here. So the other cash is not there. Now cash account is prepared. So this side total, debit side is higher. Debit side total is higher, 1,70,000. Total is just keep a little gap. So here this minus this will become here by balance sheet. Okay, by balance carried down, because this total is how much? 1,70,000, and that side total is how much? This side total is 1,70,000. This side is 80, 90, 100. 80, 90, 100 is 1,56,000. So 1,56,000. 1,70,000 minus 80, 90, 100. 1,56,000. 1,56,000. So we are getting here 14,000 balance sheet. We are getting here 14,000 balance sheet. See that? 1,00,000. This side total is 1,70,000. 1,70,000 minus here 80, 90, 100, 56,000 minus 1,56,000. We are getting 14,000 is the balance sheet. 14,000 is the balance sheet, because that means cash came in, cash received is 1,70,000, cash has gone out 1 lakh. Here cash has gone out 1,56,000. 1,80, 90, 100. 1,50 plus 1,56,000. 1,56,000 gone. 1,70,000 came. 1,50,000. 1,70,000 minus 1,56,000. 14,000 is the remaining of the cash at the end of the month. So this is the closing cash. Now underline it. Both sides you underline it. Same total will be, now both side total will be same. 1,70,000. The straight line 1,70,000. This is by balance sheet means account is balanced. This is the closing cash in hand, cash left in hand. Balance sheet means cash left in hand. 1,70,000 came, 1,56,000 gone out. 14,000 is the cash remaining in hand. So this will become the opening cash in the next month, 1st May 2022. Balance brought down 14,000 is the balance of cash in the next month. Okay. Now I think this cash we have understood it. Now we'll move to the capital account. Capital account is only a very small account, capital account. So capital, first only we have done that. This is the entry for machinery account debited. Capital account is created here. Capital account is created how much? Capital is created 6 lakh. So capital is created. Go to the credit side of capital. You have to write the capital created as 6 lakh. But capital is, what are the capital? There are 3 types of capital here. Machinery is the capital, furniture is the capital, cash is the capital. All these are machinery 4 lakh, furniture 1 lakh, cash 1 lakh. This comprises the capital. So here you apply on which date? 1st April. Here buy machinery 4 lakh. Okay, buy machinery 4 lakh. Next one, buy furniture 1 lakh. And here buy cash 1 lakh. Okay, so this one is capital is also, we have prepared, tick the capital also. Now capital 6 lakh is already posted. The capital is here. Capital is created 6 lakh. Capital account is created 6 lakh, 4, 5, 6 lakhs. So here we'll like to balance it here to make the equal here. Credit side is more, 6 lakh. Debit side is nothing here. So at the end of the month, to what will I here? To balance carried down how much? 6 lakhs to make the equal, both side equal 6 lakhs. So total of both side will be 6 lakh. To this is the total of the ledger. Total of the debit side is 6 lakh now. Total of the debit side is 6 lakh. Total of the credit side also. Total of the credit side is also 6 lakhs. Okay. So this balance sheet will become in the next month. Which month? 1st May will become by balance brought down how much? How much? 6 lakhs. Okay. So this is the account is closed here. The double underline means close the account. Last month double underline means in the month of April. In the month of April we have a double underline. Double underline account is closed. Now next time, whatever is the closing figure of 30 April to 30 April, 6 lakh, that will be the opening balance in the next month. 1st May 2020 will balance brought down 6 lakhs. So nothing to do with that. Okay. So this is how we prepare the partner's capital account. Now we have to make now purchase account. Purchase account is very small account. Purchase account is also how many purchase are how many purchase account is there. Purchase account after capital account, purchase account. Okay, purchase account here. Purchase account, how many purchases are there? First purchase is 1st May. So purchase account is debited. So purchase account debited. This will again take it. Purchase account is debited. Purchase account is debit. This is debit side of purchase. What to write here? To cash. How much amount? Purchase account debited to cash 55,000. Date is first. This one date 1st April. Purchase account 55,000. This is also posted. Cash is already posted. This tick means already posted to the cash account. Purchase account tick means here purchase account is also posted to the purchase account here to cash account. This one, okay. Purchase account debited to cash account. Now next purchase is here 4th April. Purchase account debited to Naresh. Yes, 4th April debit side. Again 4th April to what? To Naresh account. To Naresh account. NARESS Naresh account. How much amount? Amount is purchase account debited to Naresh. Purchase account is debited. How much? 40,000 is purchase account debited. Purchase account debited. So I have tick here purchase account. That means it is posted to the purchase account. So afterwards I will understand it that every account which account is posted, which one is remaining. Okay. Next one, any purchase now. I hope there is no other purchase. Only purchase. All the purchase account is finished. There is no purchase account here. No purchase account. No purchase account. No purchase account. There is no purchase account here now. So now debit side is more. Debit side is more. What will write here on at the end of the month, 30 April? What will write here? By balance carried down. What the amount? Total amount? How much? Total amount here you write 95,000 is the tape. Total of debit side here you write balance sheet. To make it equal both the side we have to write 95,000 and again total will be 95,000. Now this is 95,000 balance sheet, so the total both side account is closed now. Double underline. Underline the account is closed. This balance sheet will become the next month. Next month what to write? To balance brought down. How much? 95,000 balance brought down. Okay. Now Naresh account. We have to prepare now Naresh account. Naresh account. What are now? We have to see the where are the Naresh account transaction now? Naresh account first 4th up just now the purchase. Purchase account debit Naresh account. Naresh we have not posted here. Naresh account is created. Naresh account is created by purchase. Naresh account is created. What you like? Naresh account by purchase. How much amount? 40,000. Date is 4th April is the date. So here 4th April Naresh is created. Now I'll tick Naresh account also. I'll tick it. Naresh account is also posted. Now where is the Naresh account? Now next Naresh account. Naresh account not here. Now next Naresh account. Naresh account. Naresh account here. Naresh account on 16th April. Naresh goods returned to Naresh. Naresh account debited to purchase return. Naresh account debited to purchase return. 2,000 is the amount. Naresh account is debited. Purchase return account is created. Naresh account is debited. Naresh account debited to purchase return. To purchase return account. Amount is 2,000. Purchase return is also called as return. Return outward also. You can say return outward also. You can write purchase return or you can also write return outward. So both are same. Return outward or purchase return means purchase return. Purchase return, return outward. Okay. Purchase return is also called return outward. So now Naresh account, yes, next Naresh account, yes, 18th April Naresh account debited to bank. Naresh account debited to bank. Debited to Naresh account debited to bank. How much amount? Amount is 20,000. Let's take this amount also. Naresh account is debited 20,000. Naresh account is debited here 20,000. So any more Naresh transaction now? Naresh account transaction. Any more Naresh account? Naresh transaction here? Any more purchase? So there is no other transaction Naresh. So which side is more here? 40,000 is the Naresh. You have purchased the goods from Naresh 40,000 and you have returned 2,000 goods. You have returned and you have paid 20,000 on 18th April. You have so now what is the balance? 40,000 minus 22,000. This side credit side is more here. Credit side is 40,000. Debit side is only 22,000. So we will write here to balance carried down. How much? balance credited is 40,000 minus 22,000 is 18,000. 40,000 minus 22,000, so 80,000. So both sides now total is same. 40,000, 40,000. Account is closed here. But here balance sheet is at the end of month. Balance sheet means you have purchased 40,000, you have returned goods 2,000, and 20,000 you have paid. That means 18,000 is still due to pay to Naresh. 18,000 is balancing figure, so that will be the opening. That means 18,000 is still you have to pay to Naresh. 18,000 still you have to return to Naresh 18,000 rupees. Okay, so that will be the closing figure, and that will be the opening balance in the next month. Balance brought down 18,000. Okay, so in this way, now Naresh account is also finished. Now let's prepare sales account. Sales account. Now next one, sales account is a short account. Sales account. Where is the sales account? There is no sales account here. No sales account. Sales. Where is the sales? Let's search sales. Where is the sales? Sales is on April 6th. April 6th. Here is the April 6th. April 6th there is a sales. Sales is April 6th. Cash account debited to sales account. 6th. Sales is always credited. Here we write by cash. Amount sold is 70,000. Goods sold for cash. Cash sale is by cash. Again we have sold on 15th April. There is 15th April. Sold goods to Garg. Garg Bros account debited to sales. 15th April. Sales is credited. Garg Brothers is debited by here by Garg Brothers. Garg Brothers. How much the amount? Amount is 30,000. Date is 15th April here. So this is the 15th April Garg Brothers. Here I am sales account is created. Once you do it, you must tick it. Okay. Here I have done sales account. Sales account you must tick it. Once you post in the ledger, you tick it from the journal. Just now I've done this one. Sales. Now any more sales? There is no more sales here. So here the credit side is more. So what we will write here? 30 at the closing figure. Credit side is more here. So 2 balance carried down. How much carried down? 1 lakh. To make the both sides of the ledger equal. Now this side is 1 lakh total. This side is 1 lakh total, and this side is also total 1 lakh. This balance sheet will become in the next month. Next month means 1/5. You will get here by balance brought down. How much? 1 lakh is the balance brought down. Next one is bank account. Next we are preparing the bank account. Let's see now bank account. Where are the bank account? Bank account. Here bank account. 12th April there is a bank account of bank cash depot in the bank. Cash depot in the bank account debited to cash account. Bank account is debited to cash account. 12th April. So bank account here when we are preparing bank account debited 12th April to cash account. Amount is how much? 80,000 to the bank account. Again now here let's see where are the other bank account. Bank account here no, bank account no, here bank account here. Naresh account debited to bank account. Naresh account here how much? 20,000. Let's check paid to Naresh. So here by Naresh bank is created. Naresh account by Naresh account how much? 20,000. Date is 18th April. This one 18th April. So I have ticket here, and this one bank account is also this one I have done it. This also ticket bank account debited to cash. This one I have posted here, and Naresh by Naresh I have posted here in the by Naresh account. This amount. Now again any more now? Any more for the bank account? Bank account here drawings account debited to bank. 20 April drawings account debited to bank. So here bank account is created by drawings. Amount is how much? Amount is 10,000. This is the amount of bank. So this one also I'll tick it. Okay, drawings account bank account is posted. Any more bank account? One more here. Bank account debited to Garg and Brothers. Bank is debited 20,000. So bank is debited 20,000 to Garg Bros. To Garg Bros. How much is the amount? Amount here the Garg Bros amount is bank account is debited 20,000. Bank account is debited 20,000. So here bank account is debited 20,000. This is also posted to bank. So this one also I have. Any more bank here? Salary to cash? No. Yes, bank account debited to interest received from bank. Bank is debited here. Bank is debited to interest. Bank account debited to interest account. Interest account, how much? Interest account is 400 is the interest. Which date? Date is here 30 April here, 30 April. And the GAG check received from GAG is 25 April. Now interest received from bank account debited to bank account debited to interest account, bank account debited to interest account here, to interest account. So in this way now, bank account is also finished. The bank account, which side is more? 80, 100, 1 lakh for here. Total is 1 lakh 400 total. And this side is only 30,000. What is the balance sheet now? To make it equal, we have to write here by balance carried down. How much? So 1 lakh 400 minus 30,000. Let's see 1 lakh here, 100,400 minus 20 plus 10, 30,000. So what is 70,400 is the balance sheet. 70,400 is the balance sheet. So making two sides of the ledger equal. So see, both sides are equal now. This side and debit side and credit side are equal. How it's equal? Because we have written balance sheet. By writing the balance sheet, is the this mean, what does this mean? Cash deposit in the bank 80,000. Bank is increasing. The bank balance is 1 lakh 400. But you have paid 20,000 to Naresh and you have withdrawn by yourself 30,000. That means this you have taken money from out of the bank. So out of 1 lakh 400, you have taken out money from the bank, 30,000 you have used from the bank. So how much the balance remaining in the bank? 70,400 is the cash at bank at the end of the month of April. So that will be the opening figure in the next month. Balance sheet is the closing balance of the bank in the next month. So that will be the opening balance of the bank. So this will come here as 70,400. So that will be the opening balance. So in the last month account is closed. So this will become opening balance in the next month. That means bank balance at the next month, 1st May is 70,400 is the bank balance in the next month. So similarly now, the bank is also understood. Now we have to prepare the GAG gross account. Let's see the GAG gross account. So where are the GAG gross account here? GAG gross. There is no GAG gross. GAG gross is here in the 15th April. 15th April there is a GAG gross 30th. GAG gross account debited to sales account. GAG gross account debited to sales account here. GAG gross account debited to sales account. 30,000 amount is, that is 54 amount is any more GAG gross here. Now GAG gross to sales account 30,000. GAG gross here. Bank GAG gross is here. This one I have ticked it. GAG gross is created here by bank. GAG gross is created by bank. Check paid to check received from bank is GAG gross is 20,000. So GAG is created here. GAG gross is created 20,000. So in the GAG gross is right created by bank. Okay, this entry bank account debited to GAG account. In the GAG account by bank. In the bank we have written to, in the bank account we have written to GAG gross. In the GAG gross we have to write by bank account. So this is on the date 25. So right here date 25 April. Okay. So another GAG gross is there. Another GAG gross. So there is no GAG gross here, only this is the entry here. 30,000 is here, here 20,000. That means you have sold goods to GAG gross. You have sold goods to GAG gross 30,000, but you have received only 20,000. So what does it mean? You have sold goods to GAG gross 30,000. You have sold on 15th April. You have sold 30,000 goods. But how much you have received? Only 20,000 is received. So what balance it is? How much balance due from GAG gross? 10,000 is the balance due from. Still you have to receive from GAG gross. Still you have to receive 10,000 from the GAG gross at the end of the month 30 April, and this will be the 1st May to balance brought down. 10,000 is the open next month. You may get next month. Okay. So again his account is not closed. Again from the GAG gross balance brought down is 10,000. So this is the GAG gross is also finished. Now return outward. Return outward purchase return. Return outward is also called purchase return. Naresh account debited purchase 2,000. Return outward here. Return outward means this is also purchase return. Purchase return account. Same. Both are same. Okay. You can say purchase return or return outward same. So here we write return outward here. 2,000. Let's take this one. By Naresh on which date? 16 April. Naresh by Naresh. By Naresh how much? 2,000. So date is 16th April. So any more only 2,000 may be there here. There is no other binaries only. So only this side is there. Only credit side is. So we debit side we have to balance it. What you write here? To balance carry it down how much? 2,000 at the end of the month 30. Okay, at the end of the month 30. So balance sheet will become in the next month. Always we have to write by balance brought down again 2000. This will come here in the next month 2000 as a opening balance. Closing balance of last month will become the opening balance in the next month. Now we will see the drawings. So drawings. I think Naresh, this one also we have done. Naresh 2000. We have posted here Naresh 2000. So drawings is 10,000. Drawings 20 April. Drawings account debit to bank. 20 April drawings account is debited to bank here. To bank account here. Drawings account is debited. This one I will take it again. Drawings account is debited to bank. Drawings account debited to bank 10,000. Okay, any more drawings here? Drawings, any more drawings? No drawings. Only one drawings is there. So that means at the end of the month, how much I'll write? By balance carried down how much? 10,000. So both accounts are closed. This will become the opening balance the next month. To balance brought down how much? 10,000 in the next month. Now similar to the salaries. Salaries only salary account debited to cash. This one also I have posted. Salary to cashier. Salary account debited to cashier. Amount is 10,000. Amount is 10,000. Date is here 28th April. Okay. So here at the end of there is no other salary here. Only one salary is there at the end of the month. You will write here by balance carried down. How much I'll write here? 10,000. To make both the sides equal, underline. Double underline line means account is closed in the month of May, April. Account is closed. This account will be open in the next month. To balance brought down next month 10,000. Closing balance of the last month will become the opening balance the next month. There is interest received. Only one interest received. One interest received is there. That is interest received. Interest received credited here. Interest received credited by bank. By bank 400. Okay. Date is here 30 April. So there is no other interest received. So at the end of the 30 April to balance carried down how much? 400. So underline both the balance will become next month 1st May. What will write here? By balance brought down. Okay. By balance brought down how much? 400. Next month. So this account is closed here. Double underline. This balance will become next month balance brought down. Now next what we have to make? Stationery account. Stationery account also only one account is there. Stationery account this interest is also done. Like bank account already we have posted this 30 April bank account. Let's see, check it whether we have done or not. Bank account we have done here. Bank account 400 interest. Bank account debited to interest we have done. We forgot to tick it, so we have to tick it. Okay. Once we post in the ledger, we have to tick that particular account. Stationery account debited to cash. Now we will post it. Stationery account debited to cash. So stationery account debited to cash. How much? 1,000 is debited. Date is last 30 April is the last date. Stationery account debited to cash. So here 30 April. What will write here? By balance carried down how much? 1,000. Account is closed now. This balance sheet will come now to balance brought down. This will become here 1,000 is the opening because in the next month. So 1st May. So closing balance of the this is the closing balance sheet. To make it equal, we have written here in the credit side by balance CD. Stationery purchase, stationery account debited to cash. Only one entry is there. So by balance CD. So here to balance CD account is closed. So now this will become the next month opening. So in this way all ledgers. So this one is done. So I hope all we have done it. No, nothing is left out. Machinery accounts are posted. So all these are done. So in this way every ledgers are machinery account, furniture account. So all this is the balancing the ledger also. So I hope you have understood this balancing the ledger, purchase account, Naresh account, okay, sales account, bank account, Gag and Bros account, purchase return account, okay, drawings account, salaries account, and interest receipt account. So all together we have made all the, according to the list of ledger. According to this list of ledger, machinery, furniture, all we have made. All we have made. Okay, furniture we have made. Cash, capital, Naresh, sales, bank, Gag and Bros, purchase return, drawing, salary, interest. All this we have made the accounts here. This is the ledger. Okay, this is a ledger. So this is in this way we have completed the ledger posting as well as the balancing the ledger also. So I hope you have understood this ledger properly, and if not understood, go through this video. So again and again the mechanism is of posting and how to balance the ledger. Each and every point I have explained here how to balance the ledger. Okay, first of all journal entry. From the journal entry we have to post them in the ledger. So after preparing the journal entry, you have to post them in the ledger. So every individual entries are to be and to be posted in the ledgers. Okay, thank you. So any doubt, please ask me. Okay, thank you.